Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad without mayonnaise. Let's dive right into some fantastic alternatives that will transform your dish. Instead of mayonnaise, consider using Greek yogurt for a protein boost and creamy texture. Another excellent option is ripe avocado, which adds a wonderful richness and healthy fats. For a lighter, tangier approach, a simple dressing of olive oil and your favorite mustard works beautifully. These substitutes ensure your tuna salad is both delicious and satisfying. Now, let's talk about the essential ingredients that build incredible flavor and texture in your mayonnaise-free tuna salad. You'll want to include finely diced celery for that satisfying crunch, giving your salad a delightful textural contrast. Red onion, minced very finely, introduces a sharp, pungent kick that balances the richness. Don't forget fresh herbs such as dill or parsley. They truly brighten the entire dish. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice is also key, adding a zesty, refreshing acidity that ties all the flavors together beautifully. Preparing your mayonnaise-free tuna salad is incredibly straightforward. First, ensure you thoroughly drain your canned tuna to remove any excess water or oil. This prevents a watery salad. Next, gently flake the tuna with a fork in a medium-sized mixing bowl, breaking it into bite-sized pieces. Now, add all your chosen ingredients, including your mayonnaise alternative, vegetables, and herbs, then mix everything together until well combined. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or freshly ground black pepper as needed for perfect flavor. Once your delicious mayonnaise-free tuna salad is ready, there are many wonderful ways to enjoy it. For a light and refreshing option, serve it on crisp lettuce cups, which makes for a fantastic low-carb meal. It also makes an excellent filling for sandwiches on your favorite whole-grain bread or even in a pita. To customize, consider adding chopped pickles or capers for an extra burst of tangy flavor. For an added textural dimension, a sprinkle of toasted nuts like walnuts or pecans can be a delightful touch. Enjoy your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.